Picture this. You wake up on a crisp, beautiful Monday morning. You grab your favorite $5 iced coffee, hop into your car, and join the endless stream of traffic on the highway, heading to a job you spend 40 hours a week doing. You work incredibly hard. You pay your taxes, you try to find deals at the grocery store, and you put a little bit of cash into a savings account at the end of the month. You are doing everything society told you to do to achieve the American dream. But when you look at your bank account, it feels like you are running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. The cost of rent is rising, groceries are more expensive than ever, and the idea of buying a beautiful home with a white picket fence feels like a luxury reserved for a select few. We have all been sold this massive illusion that if we just work hard and save our pennies, we will magically wake up wealthy at 65. But let us be completely honest with each other right now. In America today, saving your way to wealth is mathematically impossible. Every single day your cash sits in a traditional bank account, it is slowly losing its purchasing power thanks to the silent thief known as inflation. But what if I told you there is a completely different game being played right under your nose? A game where your money puts on a tiny hard hat, grabs a lunchbox, and goes to work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It works while you are sleeping, while you are taking a road trip across the country, and while you are hanging out with your friends on a Sunday afternoon. You do not need a massive trust fund, you do not need a degree from Wall Street, and you definitely do not need $1 million to start. You simply need to know the rules of the game. That game is investing, and today we are going to demystify it completely. By the end of this video, you will have a crystal clear, step-by-step roadmap to start investing today, even if you only have $50 to your name. Before we dive into the exact steps to build your financial empire, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now. This channel is entirely dedicated to helping you master your money, build true financial freedom, and live life on your own terms. Subscribe now and let us get started on your journey to wealth. The very first thing we need to do before we send your money out to work is to make sure your financial house is in order. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You cannot build a 100-story tower on a foundation made of sand. If you have high-interest credit card debt, that is an absolute emergency. Credit cards charge 20 to 25% interest, which will wipe out any gains you make in the stock market. Pay that off as fast as humanly possible. Next, you need a tiny safety net. Life happens. Your car breaks down, your roof leaks, or your dog ate something weird and needs a trip to the vet. Set aside 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your financial fortress. It gives you the incredible peace of mind to invest without panicking every time life throws you a curveball. Once your foundation is solid, it's time to understand what investing actually is. A lot of people think the stock market is a giant casino in New York where rich guys in suits gamble on numbers flashing on a screen. That is completely false. When you buy a stock, you are buying a tiny, literal slice of a real-life business. When you buy a share of Apple, you own a piece of every iPhone sold. When you buy Amazon, you own a fraction of every package delivered to a doorstep. You become a partial owner of the greatest money-making machines in American history. As these companies grow, innovate, and make profits, your wealth grows right alongside them. Now, picking individual stocks can be risky and incredibly stressful. You have to read earnings reports, follow the news, and constantly worry if you picked the right horse. But there's a secret weapon that almost every millionaire uses to build wealth quietly and effortlessly. It's called an index fund, specifically one that tracks the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is simply a basket containing the 500 largest, most profitable companies in the United States. We are talking about Microsoft, Google, Tesla, Walmart, and Coca-Cola, all bundled into one single investment. When you buy a share of an S&P 500 index fund, you are instantly diversifying your money across the entire American economy. If one company has a bad year, it doesn't matter because the other 499 are there to hold you up. Historically, the stock market has returned an average of about 10% per year over the long term. This is exactly what legendary investor Warren Buffett recommends for 99% of normal people. To actually buy this magic basket of companies, you need a tool called a brokerage account. Back in the day, you had to call a guy named Gary on a rotary phone and pay him $50 just to buy a stock. Today, you have incredible power resting right inside your smartphone. Institutions like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab offer fantastic, free apps that take about 5 minutes to set up. You simply download the app, enter your basic information, and link your checking account. It's as easy as setting up a new social media profile. Once your account is open, you transfer some money in. But remember, transferring the money is not investing. Your money is just sitting in a digital waiting room. You have to actually buy the investment. You'll search for an ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund, that tracks the S&P 500. Two incredibly popular options are VOO and SPY. You simply type in the ticker symbol, hit buy, and congratulations, you're officially an investor. The real magic happens when you introduce the most powerful force in the universe, which is compound interest. Imagine you're standing at the top of a snowy mountain in Colorado, and you roll a snowball down the hill. At first, it's small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and faster. In investing, your money makes money. Then, the money your money made starts making its own money. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 25, assuming a historical average return, you could have over $1 million by the time you retire. You didn't have to work extra hours or invent a brilliant app. You just let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting for you. The final piece of the puzzle is removing your human emotions from the equation. Humans are terrible at timing the market. We get greedy when prices are high and terrified when prices drop. The solution to this is a strategy called dollar cost averaging. This simply means you invest a set amount of money on the exact same day every single month, no matter what the news is saying. Whether the market is reaching record highs or the news anchors are screaming about a recession, you ignore the noise and keep buying. You set up automatic transfers in your brokerage app so that $50 or $100 gets pulled from your checking account and invested automatically every month. You don't even have to think about it. You just go about your life, walking your dog, spending time with your family, and focusing on your career, while your money quietly builds an absolute fortress of wealth in the background. Wealth is not an accident. It's a choice. It's a series of small, consistent decisions made over a long period of time. You have the power to change your family's financial tree forever. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Take action, open that account, and step into the incredible world of financial freedom.